10 lines on peacock. The peacock is the most beautiful and royal bird in the forest. It is the national bird of India. It has a long, graceful neck that is bright blue in color. The peacock wears a lovely crest on its head like a tiny crown. Its tail is very long and filled with many colorful feathers. The feathers have beautiful patterns that look like tiny eyes. When it is happy, the peacock spreads its tail like a big colorful fan. It loves to dance when it sees rain clouds in the sky. Peacocks live in green forests and love to eat seeds and fruits. I love to watch the peacock dance because it looks like magic.